Welcome students. Today I am going to discuss worksheet 4 of the same unit, that is unit 7. Students, we will solve the questions of this worksheet also like worksheet 4. Let us start doing the first question, that is 2x plus 1 is equals to 5. Here also we will use the transposing method. We will transpose this 1 to the right hand side and it will be equal to 2x is equals to 5 minus 1. Now here x is equals to 4 divided by 2 because 2 is here multiplied, and when it go to the other side, to the right hand side, it will divide. So the answer is x is equals to 2. Let us do the another question. 6y minus 5 is equals to 19. Here transpose this 5 to the left hand side. It will be equal to 19 plus 5. And now here y is equals to 19 plus 5 is 24. 6y is equals to 24 and y is equals to, now transpose this 6 from left hand side to right hand side. Here this is getting multiplied to the other side. When it will move, it will divide. So 24 upon 6, and this is equal to 4. So here y is equals to 4 is the answer. Coming on to the next question, students. This is 3 plus 4y is equals to minus 5. Here in this question also, firstly remove the constant part and then go to the coefficients of the literal numbers. Okay, always remember that we have to keep the literal numbers on the left hand side and we have to find out their solutions, their answers on the right hand side. So transpose this 3, it will be equal to 4y is equals to minus 5 will remain same. We will write minus 5 as it is, and we will take this 3 to the other side. This is plus 3, it will become minus 3. Now 4y is equals to 8. This is minus 8 because both are negative integers. Y is equals to minus 8 upon 4. So here y is equals to minus 2, right? Next is question number 4. 2 upon 3p is equals to 6. Here students, you can take it as the whole fraction, one fraction. So if you are counting it as a fraction, then the coefficient of, if the coefficient of your literal number is fraction, then directly take this fraction to the other side and just interchange their digits, means numerator will become denominator. Take the reciprocal of this 2 upon 3, right, like p, and if it is multiplied here, this will also get multiplied in right hand side. There will not be a change, right? See, p is equals to 6 multiply by, take the reciprocal of this 3 upon 2. Now cancel the terms, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So p is equals to 3 threes are 9. So this is the answer. You can do it in another way also. You can do like this, that 3 is dividing here, so it will go to the, when it will go to the other side, it will get multiplied, and 2 is multiplying here, so when it will go to the other side, it will divide. Or you can do directly, that if you are taking it as a whole fraction, then you can proceed in this way. Fifth linear equation is 5y plus 10 is equals to 4y minus 10. Here students, in such type of the questions where on left hand side and right hand side, on both of the sides the linear equations are given, in such questions you take the terms with the literals towards the left hand side and the constant terms towards right hand side. Okay, or you can say that you can one side you can take the like terms to the like terms. Okay, so here 5y is there, so I will write 5y here. Then when 4y will come, it will become minus 4y is equals to, here minus 10 is there, so first we will write minus 10 and then this term which we have taken from the left hand side. It will be equal to minus 10, sorry, when this plus 10 will go to the other side, it will become minus 10. So now 5y minus 4y is y, and minus 10 and minus 10 is 20. So your answer is y is equals to minus 20. In the sixth part, student, here you have 1 upon 2x plus 3 is equals to 5, and you will take 3 to other side, and then you will take this 2 to the right hand side, and it will be equal to 2 to the 4, and x is equals to 4 will be the answer. In seventh question, you have to what do you have to do, students? If you are having any equation like this, just take this part which is multiplied to this algebraic expression, you take this to the other side directly. So take this 3 to the right hand side, it will get divided and answer is 2. So it will become x plus 1 is equals to 2. Now transpose this 1 to the right hand side, it will be equal to 1. Let us understand this by taking another example. Question number 8. By doing example 8, we can understand this more. This is x minus 2, because we have to transpose this 4 to the other side. Minus 8 upon 4 it will become. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. X minus 2 is equals to minus 2. Now transpose minus 2 to the other side. Minus 2 and minus 2 will become minus 4. So your answer will be x is equals to minus 4. The ninth question is also the similar to the previous question. That is question number 6. 3x plus 8 is equals to 5x plus 2. Here on both sides again the linear equations are given. Take join the like terms, 3x minus 5x and 2 minus 8. This is equals to minus 2x plus 6, and x will be equal to minus 6 upon minus 2. Minus will get cancelled with minus. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So x is equals to 3 is the answer. Coming on to the 10th question, students. It is 1 upon 3x plus 11 is equals to 14. Take 11 to the other side. 14 minus 11 is equals to 3. So x is equals to 3 will go, when 3 will go to the other side, they will get multiplied, and this is x is equals to 9 is the answer. Question number 11th is x minus 5 upon 4 is equals to 3. So now x minus 5 is equals to 3 multiplied by 4. So it will be equal to now 12. So why I have taken this multiplied this 4? Because 4 is here, 4 is dividing, and it is equals to 3 multiplied by 4. Now x minus 5 is equals to 12. So x is equals to 12 plus 5, and x is equals to 17 is the answer. In question number 12th also, z plus 3 upon 4. Now here, because 4 is dividing this whole expression, students, like in question 11, so we will take this 4 to the right hand side and it will get multiplied. Now z plus 3 is equals to 17 multiplied by 4. So z plus 3 is equals to 68, and z is equals to 3 will go to the other side, and it will be equal to 68 minus 3, and that is z is equals to 65. So students, you can solve in this way you can solve the worksheet 4 of this chapter. Thank you.